road from checkpost. There's a board which is written it's way to Mainapi, and I think it's gonna be taking 1 hour more time. So we reached here.
I'm doing this.
Yeah, here she is. I'm not taking a picture. After this hell ride, we reached. And this is the road we're gonna walk from the parking area.
Look at me. I'm going.
So this route is kind of just like Savri waterfall, but Savri is, the steps have been built up properly. Here, there's nothing. I can hear the waterfall. So here we are, we reached. It's too sunny out here, and really if you travel so much, it's worth it. But if you come here, definitely you should get into water because it's really sunny. There's no shade, nothing. Like only thing you can get into water and just feel better. That's what we're going to do. People are still climbing. Careful! Yeah. Downside of Mainapi Waterfall. We're still here till 4 o'clock. It's so fun. It's a kind of isolated place and you can definitely love the water here. One special instruction. This area is kind of like without any plastic. So I would suggest if you guys come over here, please don't litter plastic over here because it doesn't look good after you leave all the plastic over here and make it so dirty. So this is exactly before we're signing off from here. Bye Sudit. Bye. So getting down it was very easy, but when we started climbing, you can see the rainbow there. Oh, we're tired, just like woo, woo. And you can see somebody over there.